Your way.
Yep.
There we go.
Bob's following on.
He is following on quite cheerfully. So we have just spent the night at Mayfield. Is it camping?
Mayfield Park, I found.
Mayfield Park.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gone. It was beautiful. Motorhome there.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
I clocked that one as well on a Y plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a combination of a residential park and a touring park, and it's got a rally field. That's been a very pleasant night again.
Yeah.
Really good shower facilities and toilets and whatnot.
Yep, very friendly staff, even though I think some of the staff are very, very new. Don't film me now because I'm just about to put the exit code in.
Oh, I'll look over here. I'll look over here. So as you can see, it's secure. We're about 3 miles.
Yeah, I got it right.
We're about 3 miles from Cirencester. So it's very good for getting around that area and whatnot.
And we had a display by the Breitling wing walkers.
Yeah, which was awesome. We'll try and get a little bit of footage in there if we can.
Oh, we were going to try and make a heart. Not a bad view from your campsite, really.
Pardon?
Not a bad view from your campsite.
No, we've had a amazing.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, he's got a wing walker.
Family run park.
Yeah, there you go, Mayfield Park.
On a Friday night, it's got a pizza van. It's got a little shop with all the essentials. It's got about 85 pitches. Our pitch was about 8 by...
Oh, I thought I saw 103 as the highest number of pitch.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was it, about 8 by 10, do you reckon, our pitch? Very well appointed, because there were little separations between all the pitches. Yeah. Which makes a difference. Gravel with a little lawn to the side.
Only slight issue is that road up there. That's the main road to Swindon and Cirencester, 419 I think it is. And it's concrete. The noise is horrendous, but it's just enough distance away, but it's a constant drone.
Yeah.
So you can't hear the traffic, just the roar of the tyres.
And the biplanes are an absolute bonus.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So swings and roundabouts, pluses and minuses. Very hard to find fault there.
And fully serviced pitches, so water and electricity on your pitch.
And drainage on some of them.
Yeah, I mean, I thought it was very good again. Very, very good. I'm impressed with the campsites we've been to so far.
I'll put the price up because I've forgotten what we paid. But it wasn't horrendous. None of them are particularly horrendous.
No.
Generally, we're budgeting on anywhere between 20 and 30 quid a night, I think, once the dogs are included.
Yeah.
Usually you have to pay a small fee extra for dogs.
Yeah, but it's usually about £2 each. Yeah. So we're probably about £4 per dog. We were looking at I saw a site and I thought that looks lovely on TikTok. And then I saw that it was £43.50 to bring your dog.
Look at the lovely
Oh,
stone.
glorious. It's sandstone around here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a very Cotswold colour.
Very much so.
It's a rich seam. It goes all the way into Northamptonshire.
I suspect we'll be doing some, oh my goodness, isn't this a lovely village all the way along here?
Yeah.
But yeah, we are heading into the Cotswolds, are we not?
And then back out again.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, because we're off to Worcester for the 2CVGB Registers Day. So I may or may not do a separate video on that, but Registers Day is the closest 2CVGB gets to a show and shine event. So they line all the cars up in their various registers, Dianes, Amis, drum brake 2CVs, disc brake, and the early ones. So
Berlingo?
I don't think there's a Berlingo section, unfortunately.
Oh, we should start one.
Yeah, maybe we should. But yeah, obviously we'd like to be in Ellie, but A, Ellie can't tow Bob, and B, Ellie can't do anything at the moment because her engine's knackered.
No.
A second plan B, is coming together to resurrect Ellie. Plan A sadly hasn't come to fruition. But yeah, another very, very pleasant stop. But by heck, the drive over yesterday was hot. Yes. But the good thing about Bob is it doesn't take long to get Bob up.
Oh, as soon as you've got Bob up, you've got a lovely shade. Yeah,
it's really good. And because Bob's actually quite tall, the centre is really high up. You get a good shadow.
Yeah, really good shadow. Is that an old Polo?
Yeah, Polo red van down there.
In brown.
Yeah. Nice MX-5 there as well.
Yeah.
In that iconic blue. Pleasant part of the world, so we shall carry on. We're going to go and get some camp lights.
Yes.
In more ways than one, I think. So we'll go and acquire those. and come back to you. How do I go right here? Go that way?
Oh, beautiful.
Yep, here we are in Ledbury, which is home to the Ledbury Maestros and Lamborghinis apparently. Gone up in the world from the Maestros. But yeah, a lovely old town. So many beautiful old buildings here.
Oh, look at this one.
It's like a little chocolate box sort of a place, isn't it?
It is.
So the old market hall here.
Folks dining al fresco under there.
Yeah, very nice. Is that the town hall? I don't know what that is. Oh, the Almhouses St Catherine's Hospital to the left here. Yeah, what a remarkable place is Ledbury. So we're just pausing here to grab some groceries before our weekend of what to miss Hubnut is wild camping, because there is no electrical hookup.
Oh, I'm liking the play on words up here.
What? Well worth it.
With the same lettering as
I wonder if that is the old Woolworths
I wonder
building.
If it is.
Yeah.
If anybody could tell us, it'd be...
Of course, Woolworths still very much alive and well in the other side of the world.
In Australia. And they were online for a while. That's got to be an old Woolworths, hasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, look at that colour.
This one.
Volkswagen Tigo. I've never seen one of those before. But I'm liking that colour ever so much.
Liking the rear styling as well.
Yeah. So here we are at the 2CV camp. There's 2CVs about. It's a beautiful spot. There's even a van hiding in the trees. That over there is a Toyota Tangara. Very rare. Little plastic bodied 2CV spin-off. But we're just starting to pack up after a rather lovely weekend. Miss Hubnut packing and also managing to eat breakfast at the same time. What have we got today?
I've got Santagur cheese and the leftovers of the baguette, really.
So there you go, very French. You know, you've got to kind of do the baguette thing. But Cool Box over here has been absolutely amazing. It's now Sunday. Titch, I'm afraid Titch still hates the internet. Oh, she's snapping her jaws at the internet. Really?
Why are we angry?
Why are we angry at the internet? Oh, I see. Yeah, now we know why. Yeah, the Cool Box has been superb because we filled that up with ice on
we did a complete
Friday lunchtime.
Yeah, we're nearly 48 hours in and it's still frozen. There's been a
still
little bit of melting, but nothing substantial.
And for context, it's been 33 degrees in the shade. So we do have to keep rotating it around to make sure it stays in Bob's shadow.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's an amazing
Everything is really cold. It's brilliant. It was only, I think it was £57 or something. So it's not expensive on having looked at Cool Boxes.
It does claim to be 80 hours. Tish really is quite grumpy today. Never work with dogs. Right, we seem to have overcome yet another diplomatic incident. But yeah, it's been absolutely lovely here this weekend. So great to be back at a 2CV camp, actually camping at a 2CV camp. The vibe is just lovely. There's been a bar, so people have been having merry fun, but also just nice seeing people. Some people I haven't seen for years. Some people I haven't seen since Croatia, bizarrely. But yeah, it's a beautiful spot. Just down behind this big tree and down that bank where the tree line is a river where you can go paddling. Titch, the dog, actually went paddling yesterday. Old grumpy madam down here absolutely loved it.
Yeah, we were really worried about Titch on Friday.
Her back legs
she didn't seem to be very well at all. And then yesterday it was miraculous. She was in the river and then stomped up the bank as well.
Yeah, and walked halfway across the field. So yeah, it's been really, really pleasant.
Probably should share that when again.
Oh yeah, McGann's getting quite rare now.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's a few other French cars that aren't 2CVs floating around. Berlingo. There's good quantity of Berlingos, actually.
4, I think we're up to, variously.
But today's the main day of the show, so there will be a video coming on the weekend specifically and on the show.
Have you shared the Toyota Starlet in disguise?
Yeah, that will be in that
hilarious.
video. So watch out for that. It's a very cunning disguise. You'll barely recognise it as a Toyota Starlet. Probably. So yeah, that is still to come. But yeah, I don't know if should we wrap up this vlog here, or do you think there's more thoughts for us to have on the way home? Because we've just been thinking about what a lovely summer we've had with our very, very cheap rig, and you know, even with all that Bella has cost us, the entire rig is I don't know, 2.5 grand maybe.
Yeah.
Bearing in mind I've probably done 4,000 miles in Bella in that time as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been absolutely superb. We've seen all sorts. There's been meteors overnight. We've seen biplanes.
Yeah, ginormous moon.
Yeah, lots of nature. It's been spectacular. All possible thanks to Bob. Well, that's us done with this camping adventure. Sorry it's got quite lengthy. I might have even split this into 2 parts. I don't actually know yet. We're not yet in the edit suite. We're going to head back to Wales. It's about 3 hours home, even though we're quite close to the Welsh border. Tells you a lot about Welsh roads. But yeah, what a fantastic thing Bob has been. It has really made our summer. And we've still got outings to come. And but then it'll quieten down a bit as we settle back into normal life and have to do normal boring things like school and scouts and etc. and stops us travelling. But yeah, it's been very enjoyable. The dogs are hot, I'm hot. We're going to wrap it up. It's been incredible. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for your warm feedback about these camping vlogs. It's really appreciated. And yeah, we shall see you in a future video. Farewell. Say goodbye to the internet, Diego. Or ignore the internet, whatever.